we are looking at how to pronounce this medical term. Let's break down the pronunciation. We're going to be looking at how to say more confusing names from medicine as well. So let's stay tuned to the channel and break down the pronunciation. Petechia. Petechia. Pinpoint round spots that are formed on the skin. So you have a stress here on that second T syllable. Petechia. Some may pronounce it also alternative pronunciation in English. Petechia or Petechia. Now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support, and here are loads of videos for you to learn more correct pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching.